this is the tutorial on how to assemble three Sonobe. And if you look at the Sonobe here, always take the center line here as the middle. And if you use this concept, you will very easily get to assemble. First of all, join these two together, these two lines. And if you put it like that, you will notice this will insert here. And for the next piece, just continue on the line like this and put the next piece here. And to make three piece, basically it's just a triangle. And so you just want to push this together so it forms a triangle. Just insert it like that. And once you have done that, flip over and fold this inward like that. And you will be able to insert the flap like this. And that is how you assemble three pieces of Sonobe.